So SEL is a really important part of our online learning. Our school has tasked us to keep in touch with our advisees in homeroom each day for 20 minutes on Google Meet. And we'll continue to meet with them throughout however long this is going to last. So yesterday was a really fruitful conversation, and the kids had lots of questions, and we were all so happy to see each other. Today, we were still really happy to see each other, but I suspected that it would be much quieter, and it was. So I decided to do an activity with them, and I offered to let them do the same to help us connect. We're in a really unique situation where the kids are at home and they have access to a lot of their stuff, and we can see them and learn about them in a different capacity as long as we take advantage of it. Before we left for our extended distance learning time, our educational technology leader in the middle school, Lisa, gave me an idea for a project to do with the kids in my history class. And I decided that it might be a really good idea to do it with advisory instead, and it's an unboxing. I'm not sure how many of you have ever done or watched a YouTube video of someone unboxing a product, like when you get a mystery mailer in the mail. I love those. But I decided I was going to unbox myself. So I took this box from the giant pile of boxes I've been receiving in the mail these days, and I put 5 or 6 things inside of it that the kids might not know about me or might not know are important to me, so that I could tell them a little bit more about myself. And then I unboxed. So here's the example. The first thing I showed them was the letter from my cheerleading days in 7th and 8th grade. I was not a very good cheerleader, but I did it and I was really happy, so I think that's why I got to stay on the squad. I showed them my half marathon medal. The half marathon was really, really hard for me, but I ran it in honor of my Uncle John, and today is his birthday, April 1st. Happy birthday in heaven, Uncle John. One of his goals when he got better was to walk a half marathon in Washington, D.C., and since he never got to do it, my sister-in-law and my cousin, his daughter, did it together. I thought I was going to die at the end of this half marathon. It was so hard and painful, but I did it, and this is a reminder that I can do pretty much anything if I really, really try. I showed them a couple of ticket stubs. So this is a ticket stub from a New Jersey Jackals game. The New Jersey Jackals are a minor league team in Montclair, New Jersey. They play on the Montclair State University campus in Yogi Berra Stadium, and I used to sing the national anthem at games there. It was one of the best things I ever did, and I still wish I was doing it. And one of my life goals is to sing the national anthem at a professional baseball game. So hopefully we'll get back to baseball really, really soon. Another thing that I showed them is this box. This box is from my grandmother. She gave it to me when I was small. And I think it belonged to her mom as well. And inside the box, I keep other things that are really important to me, small knickknacks, like this pin that I got from Monticello when I got to be a Barringer Fellow at Thomas Jefferson's Monticello, and a couple of religious items from my mom and my grandma, and of course, my Italian horn for good luck. I also showed them this movie ticket stub. This is from my first movie date with my husband. I still have it. We saw V for Vendetta. And then the last thing I pulled out of the box was one of the most important experiences of my life, and one of the silliest. When I was Annie in the 10th grade musical. Well, it was a high school musical, but I was in 10th grade when I was Annie. The kids really got a kick out of the wig. And I think they really enjoyed it, and a lot of them were thinking about what they were going to put in their boxes so that they can do some unboxing tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and maybe you can try it with your students also.